Hey y'all, thanks for joining us. On this week's menu, we'll be making Cod Basquaise. You'll need onion, yellow and red bell peppers, garlic, tomato, parsley, thyme, white pepper, kosher salt, cod, Serrano ham, which is akin to a prosciutto, both olive oil and canola oil, a splash of red wine. In this case, I'm going to be using a Pinot Noir. And then the star ingredient is this dry pepper from the Espelette region of France. It's akin to a cayenne pepper, but not as hot. Typically, you can't find this in grocery stores, but you can find it online. I ordered it off of Amazon. It's about $3 or $4. And I also use this in my scrambled eggs to jazz them up a little bit. So let's get started.
Begin by chopping the red and yellow bell peppers. Next, cut the Serrano ham into small pieces. Then, mince the garlic. Next, chop the fresh parsley. Finally, chop the onion.
Add 3 cups of olive oil to a pan, and when it's nice and hot over medium to high heat, put your onions in and cook for 5 minutes until they are translucent and tender. After about 5 minutes, you're going to add your garlic and cook for an additional minute. Now we're going to add our ham and peppers. And cook for an additional 5 minutes, stirring often. Shoot, guys, I just realized we put ham in this dish, so it's not a good dish for Lent. It's been about 5 minutes. We're going to add our tomatoes and our thyme, and we're going to turn the heat down to low and cook for between 15 and 20 minutes until everything melts together. The tomatoes and peppers and onions will blend it together. You'll get this great aromatic from the thyme, and we are going to now add my favorite ingredient, a little Pinot Noir, and that's going to be a half a cup. And then we're going to throw in some parsley and then we're going to take that pepper and we're going to put a pinch of the pepper in, stir it all together. And you're keeping the heat on low. And we're going to simmer this for about 10 minutes to cook off the alcohol. I've added the canola oil to a pan on medium to high heat. I threw in a couple of sprigs of garlic and thyme, and I added our cod fillets. And you're going to cook for about 3 minutes each side, and then gently flip them. You want them to be nice and golden brown on each side. And it will create this beautiful, it's really a dark purple sauce. And we're gonna use that to plate first. So just pile that in the middle of your plate. And then, oops, got a little bit of extra. And then we're gonna take the seared cod, place it over top, and dig in. The bell peppers come out, a little bit of heat from that special pepper, which I can't pronounce its name. Really good. Thanks so much for joining us this week. Please like and share. Cheers.